Haman Kamariki, KTN.
Still on the just concluded Ol Kalou by-election, and it is now clear that 6 masked armed men and a convoy of SUV cars and buses tried to gain forceful entry into one of the 144 polling stations in the constituency. Following the ugly incident, analysts say Kenya risks sliding into a failed state if the government doesn't prosecute financiers and perpetrators of chaos witnessed in the by-election. Bentura Kwamboka with the details.
The Ol Kalou by-elections was meant to be a normal by-election after the seat fell vacant following the demise of David Njuguna Kiaraho. For many, this was more than one constituency vote. It was a litmus test for the newly constituted IEBC. An observer group, ELOG, in its post-election report says what happened in Ol Kalou is a reflection of what to expect in 2027. According to the ELOG report, 6 armed and masked men are said to have tried to force their way into Huruma Primary School polling station. Elsewhere, a convoy of SUVs, Prados and buses attempted to gain forceful entry at AC Ol Kalou Primary School polling center, reviving fears over credibility of elections come 2027.
When we talk about masked armed men who are storming our polling stations, this is how nations fail, when we have questionable persons emerging the winners by the end of the day. And how do we question their credibility in terms of how they emerge victorious? It is when we see persons storming polling stations. This is how nations end up failing.
Analysts now warn that if allowed to continue, interference with the role of IEBC or police will cripple efforts to curb election vices.
We are staring at a general election wherein these people who are called goons, or call them whatever you want to call them, but this might be the people to be in control of our general election come 2027.
There is no parallel system of security in this nation. There is only one Inspector General of Police and there is one National Police Service, and it's accountable to the people of Kenya.
While the government remains quiet days after the reported incidents, fears are the Ol Kalou experience could be replicated nationwide. Unless the government cracks down on financiers and issue clarity on security during election, the country is said to likely fall into anarchy.
If these questions are not answered, come 2027 general election, we might have, unfortunately, a repeat of what we have seen in 2007 or even worse off. Because this kind of politics is what we have not seen in our country.
Bentura Kwamboka, KTN.
Shift in focus, a major